Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Adventure Built. My name is Kelly.
Hi, I'm Tara.
And today we are in Sedona doing the Broken Arrow Trail, and it's hot. Super, super hot, but we're gonna make it amazing. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Adventure Belt, and thank you guys so much for watching.
So we wanted to share a little bit about why we picked this specific trail. We spent last night in Cottonwood with a couple of friends of ours, and we enjoyed small town vibe, some tastings at the wineries, or the tasting rooms, and we wanted to do something a little bit outside of our normal adventures, add a little bit of a hotel room setting, and then hit the trail the next day. So here we are in Sedona, Broken Arrow Trail.
And the Broken Arrow Trail is a really, really short trail, but it does have a few obstacles that are a little cattywampus. So we are gonna air down, and let's get going right now. There definitely are some things we have to keep in mind today here in Sedona. One, it's really, really hot. The temperature right now at noonish is 101 degrees. So we have to definitely keep hydrated, make sure we try to stay in the shade as much as possible. Also, we're gonna have to avoid some wildlife. There has been a ton of rattlesnake sightings here in Sedona, so we're gonna have to keep an eye out for that. Definitely do not wanna get bit. And these trails are very, very popular with all of the, obviously off-roaders, but with the pink Jeep touring. And so we're gonna have those guys kind of all around us all day. So we will definitely stay out of their way. They're here to make a business out of it, and we're here to kind of enjoy everything, so we're going a lot slower. This is definitely not my first Sedona overlanding adventure. However, this is my first time on Broken Arrow Trail, so hopefully it stands up to its name. Robin. Here we are at the very first obstacle on the Broken Arrow Trail, and the slick rock here is just so nice to drive on. It's just so sticky and just positive. You get on it, you climb right up over things, hardly any tire slip, super, super fun. This whole area here is just a big old kind of multi-tiered step up section. Just kind of go up and up and over and over and up and down. It's really cool. It's like the little playground for off-roaders. We're moving on, but this right here is awesome. We took a little offshoot just past that little playground area, and this is called Devil's Dining Room. I didn't know what it was. On the map, it looked like a pretty cool little obstacle. It's not. It's literally a big flat rock where you turn around. So really nothing here. You can bypass it if you want. You're not missing anything. Right now we are at Chicken Point on Broken Arrow Trail here in Sedona, Arizona, and the weather has just turned from mega hot to monsoon storm season where it's gonna cool down a little bit right now.
Right.
Hopefully.
What's really nice is that right now we have this nice little rainy overcast day that has rolled in for us. It means now we can be outside, it's not blazing hot, and our skin does not feel like it's melting. Arizona.
Yep. A little bit of shade goes a long way in the Arizona summers.
So we want to just show you some of the scenery because Sedona is iconic for the tall red rocks, the beautiful greenery. So just, you know, stick around, catch a little bit of this.
Yes, it is gorgeous. The rain on the Broken Arrow Trail has subsided, however, the adventure is moving right along. Right now we are on this super cool, tricky little section of slick rock, and it is just super sticky sandstone. You get a little tire slippage every once in a while, but for the most part, you just go right up. Behind me is the infamous Broken Arrow Trail staircase. Now, this isn't so much a technical drive as much it is a controlled fall. You really just have to kind of be on your brakes. I know it seems just a lot of work for your brakes to keep up with that, but this is super steep. If you lose it and it's kind of loose, you're just gonna go all the way to the bottom and it's not gonna be pretty. So take it slow, take it easy, you'll make it just fine.
Nothing challenging, we do have a rock on passenger. There you go, nice job.
I have to change my underwear right now. That is the end of Broken Arrow Trail here in Sedona, Arizona, and it was a lot of fun.
Yeah, it was a lot of fun. I considered driving this trail at first because I haven't driven any trails. It was a little too technical for me. So if it's your first trail, I think it's great, it's fun. I don't think I'm ready to drive yet.
Yeah, I don't know if that would have been a good one for the first go around, but it was definitely a challenge. I highly suggest doing the Broken Arrow Trail. It is super, super fun. A lot of technical sections, a lot of slick rock, and a lot of sandstone to go over. The staircase was really, really cool. You can only go down that, by the way. It's a one-way trail in that section. They're trying not to tear it up. People going up it and just kicking up everything. So it's one way going down, but it was still a little bit of a pucker factor on that thing, for sure.
Yeah, I did think he was gonna run into me at one point, like kind of just slide right into me. So I don't know if it'll end up in the video, but I was kind of running off to the side and trying not to fall down the other part while getting video at the same time. But it
Run away!
It was the coolest part of the trail outside of the scenery because Sedona is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, 100% picturesque. Yes. You have to come see it for yourself. The video will not do it justice, but we will try.
No, great trail. Thank you for spending the day with us. And if you end up doing the trail, leave some comments and let us know.
Thank you guys so much. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to like, and we'll see you guys next time.